Original Joanna is on the Temple Massive inside of us in the meantime. Liberty TV there in Washington DC area. Big things. We have Renegade Sound there. We have Supermatic Big Sound there.
Generic in the house.
We have Generic Sound. Big Sound in the house.
Write them down, man. Can you not remember?
More I understand what I go on, people. I Washington DC with that. More I know a sound we come out of Atlanta. We're not talking about no energy light. We're not talking about no spaceship light. We're not talking about no Star Trek light. We're not talking about no sunlight either.
Marley B, Biggs,
And we're not talking about
Tarbars,
moonlight.
DJ Cat. Hey, pick up the one of the Portland crew, you know. Right across from JA, you know. Limelight, remember highlight. See the big bad sound, and a true voice I represent for the champion sound. Limelight.
People, more I understand. The big sound we come out of Atlanta. We're not talking about no street light, car light, phone light, pen light, not even moonlight. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. On stage, the one and only people, Limelight Sound.
Limelight, remember highlight. See the big bad sound, and a true voice I represent for the champion sound. Killer hype, Marley B, Biggs.